Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip. Now, I've used this in the past, but it kind of ring true again. When you're trying to refresh a home, and especially if you're looking to list your property now that the spring market is upon us, it's always a good idea to refresh your lighting. Yeah, you want to go through the home, take out any kind of those digi lights, ones that don't show your house in the best light, and they also may look old. Unless they got so old to the point now that they're back in fashion, maybe that might help you. But in most cases, older lighting, it kind of just gives the home like an overall older feel and a kind of a darker feel. And there's a lot of great lighting options out there. You don't have to go and break the bank. You can look on things like Amazon. You can even go to IKEA. There's some great options. HomeSense has some great options that won't break your bank. So yeah, do an audit of inside your home. Whether you're staying in the home or whether you're selling the home, it's always a good idea to brighten up your interior. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.